got the barbecue. Okay, it's glistening, glistening, glistening. Looking you. Looking you.
Good.
I wouldn't say good and cute at the same time. Why I say glue?
No, I don't know what one you were saying.
I don't know. I went to pig. It was like in my mouth, but it came out twice. You know what I mean? Okay. What do you think? You a bone or a flat person?
I'm a flat.
Okay, get that flat
I'm a
up under there.
flat.
Okay,
I'm
get
a
that
flat.
flat. Okay, okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Hey. Okay. I don't need to try another one. Today's barbecue.
It's hitting.
It's hitting. It's hit. It hit. It hit. It hit. Okay. Damn. You know what?
We're gonna need a lot of napkins.
That girl wasn't lying. She said, "Oh, you get married? You in the right spot." You know what I mean? She gave me that feeling like I was here.
Yeah.
Like you. Oh yeah, congratulations. She said congratulations at 4 times. I love her. She made me feel welcome. You know what I mean? I didn't even get her name. You know what? I want to put on a review. I want to get her a review, girl. You did your big one. You made me feel welcome and everything. Like, I really want to do this place. I want to really try this place. Angela's.
Yeah.
Ooh, I need some white. I need some baby white.